Want a clean, tailored window look? Today, I'll show you how to install a Pelmet step by step, so it looks perfectly aligned and professionally finished. Hi, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install a Pelmet on your window, including how to mark your height, position the brackets, and make sure that everything is level, secure, and beautifully done.
Start by marking the height where your Pelmet will be installed. Make sure to subtract about 1 inch so the board can sit properly on top of the brackets. In our case, we chose a final height of 93 3/4 inches. So after subtracting 1 inch, our marking point is 92 3/4 inches. Next, we determine the correct width and positioning. Our window measures 112 inches, and the inside width of the Pelmet is 127 inches. Dividing each by 2 gives us 56 inches for the window and 63.5 inches for the Pelmet per side. The difference, 7.5 inches, is what allows the Pelmet to extend beyond the window for proper coverage and a clean, finished look.
If you're installing a Pelmet together with a traverse rod, we also have a full step-by-step installation guide for a traverse rod with a center split. You can find it in the link in the description below.
First, find the center of the window by measuring 56.5 inches from the side. We already marked the height on which the Pelmet will be installed in the previous section. From the center of the window, measure equal distances to the left and right. In our case, 63.5 inches, and mark those points. These are the outer points of the Pelmet. From those outer points, measure about 6 inches inward on each side and check the mounting height to mark the bracket position. This is where your L-shaped brackets will go. If your window is wide like ours, you need to add additional brackets every 20 to 30 inches. Make sure to divide the distance evenly so the weight of the Pelmet and the drapery, if installed together, is properly supported. Place the bracket at the marked position and mark the wall for both holes on the bracket. If the wall is drywall with no support behind it, you will need to install wall anchors. In our case, we have wood studs behind the drywall, so we will use wood screws only. Once all of your markings are done, go ahead and install the brackets. Once the brackets are in place, you'll need a second person to help. Carefully align the Pelmet, place it on the brackets, and secure it from the inside. If your Pelmet includes a built-in track for drapery or shears, the brackets for the track will already be installed inside the Pelmet. So once the Pelmet is up, you can simply click in the rod and hang your curtains. And this is your final result. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and a polished custom look.
If you're planning to order and install a Pelmet, make sure to save this video for your reference. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. We're always happy to help. If you'd like more professional tips on window treatments, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.